Hello, so today we're gonna do typography design tutorial for Canva. So it's really easy, you can do it by yourself. So let's start, let's go. Just let's pick a banana, resize it by the shape you like. Okay, first part done. So now we go to apps and type typecraft for this. Okay, let's do it banana. Let's choose font. Okay, I like this one. Looks really nice. Okay, so now we're gonna add element. We're gonna choose color white. No worries, we're gonna update it. So we're gonna use black, so we know how much to rescale it. So now we're gonna expand it and shape it to the size. If you press update, it's gonna update your image, so we know where to put it. Okay, okay, okay. We're gonna draw it down a little bit, update again element. We're gonna perfectly fit it. So we're gonna lower this end. Yes, nice. So now we have almost perfect. Yes, perfect. But this one up. Okay. And this one also up. A little bit more. So now we scale the banana. We can do even this part if you like. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna duplicate this. Okay. And in the new page, we're gonna just delete this one. We're gonna change color to white, update element. We're gonna go to elements. We're gonna select shapes. We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna send it to back. Okay, okay. Layer, send backwards. So now we see banana. We're gonna scale it as much as possible straight away so we don't have to waste time later. Okay, looks perfect. Now we're gonna do download. We're just gonna download this page. So yeah, download. Okay, nice. So we're gonna go back here. We're gonna delete this one. We're gonna upload image, this one. No, this last one. Upload file, this one. We're gonna add it to the page and we're gonna resize it. We're gonna go edit image, remove background, background removed. Okay. And we're gonna choose due tone. Let's choose, I don't know, cherry. We're gonna switch to white color and this one also to the white. And now, as you see, we have finished product. We can download it. We have straight, nice looking banana. So if you like to reshape it a little bit, you can do it like this. So you have like whole banana like this, and the end product looks really, really nice. So you can do it like this even. So you have banana name, looks really cool, awesome. Share, download it. If you want to watch